Hey guys, it's Renee and welcome to my curls. And today I'm in my kitchen. I'm doing a little bit of a different video. It's a video about something that people are always super interested in the fact that I do this. They're very intrigued, and it's surprising to me that other people don't do this. So I thought I would do a video about it. It is actually Monday. I'm home today. I have a lot of errands to do. I have to go to the grocery, have to go to the bank, have to go to the ice cream shop, I have to do payroll, so there's just a lot of stuff going on. We have our boot camp class tonight, so I don't know if you can see behind me. I have my crock pot out. I'm gonna put dinner in there in a minute so that it's ready and waiting for me when I get home. But I am a super organized person. I love a list, I love a grocery list, and I love a to-do list. So I go to the grocery once a week. That's it. And today it happens to be the day that I'm going. So I'm going to share with you how I do my planning, how I'm able to only go to the grocery once a week, get everything that I need. I save a ton of money by doing it this way, a ton of time, because I'm a super busy person. So I don't want to have to keep running to the grocery store every day or every couple of days or anytime we're out of something. With my system, I know when we're out of something. I always have a backup in the pantry or in the linen closet, so we very rarely ever run out of anything. And my daughters and my husband know that if they need something, if they're about to use the end of something, or if they want something, they better put it on the list. There's a grocery list in the kitchen, they better put it on there. They cannot text me or call me when I'm at the grocery, hey mom, I forgot so-and-so, because if I've already passed that aisle at the grocery store, I am not going back, and they know it. So the system works. I've been doing this for probably 15 or 20 years. Like, it's just all my adult life. It's just the way I've always done things. I love to cook. I cook 4 or 5 nights a week. And so I plan out my meals. I know exactly what I need, and I make my grocery list, and I go to the store one time. That's it, one time. That's all I'm doing, and I'm not going back. So I wanted to share my system with you, and hopefully it'll work for you. Or if you do this already, comment below. Let me know. I would love to hear from you, because I feel like I'm the only person in the world that does it this way. And actually, that's not true. My sister does the same thing. We live in a small town, and she's actually started using where you order online at Walmart, and you can pull up and get your groceries. And I think I would love to do that this summer when the ice cream shop is open 6 days a week, because I just don't have time to get to the grocery. But the Walmart on my side of town doesn't do that yet. So it would be a 45-minute round trip drive for me to order from the Walmart on the other side of town, go get it, come home, and by that time I can be in and out of my Walmart super fast. Like, no joke, I am in and out in under an hour, because I have a system. I don't waver, I don't pick up random stuff. I get what's on my list, I know exactly what I need, and I'm home. So I'm gonna share it with you today. So I've got all my stuff in front of me here, so let's get going. Let me show you what I do. First thing is, I have a planner. This is my personal planner, it's my business planner. I keep, if my kids have appointments or things going on, my husband's got this, I know everything. So the first thing I do is I look at my planner. Are we gonna be home for dinner? Am I cooking this night? Who's not gonna be here? And so I know exactly what my week looks like. Now, because I do cook and I have teenage daughters, I have one who's super picky. If my husband and I want something, she doesn't like it, I will plan to cook it on a night that she's got something going on. If she's working, or there's like a big basketball game, or for some reason she's not gonna be here, I always cook something that we want that I know she doesn't like. So there's that. But I go through my calendar, I know exactly what my schedule is, what I'm cooking, and then the next thing I do is I have a grocery list, and I write on the back what I want to cook this week. Now, I always cook on Sunday, but because this is Monday, I'm actually making Italian beef tonight. We're doing pasta Dudley Style, and it's a dish called chicken with lettuce, which sounds super weird, but it's really, really good. It's one of our favorite dishes, and we have mashed potatoes and sweet carrots with it. So I'm only cooking 3 meals, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, because I'm at the ice cream shop Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and then I know I'll be back at the grocery on Sunday. So once I know what I'm cooking, I actually go through my pantry. I get out my recipes, I go through my pantry, and I write down every ingredient that I need that I don't have. And honestly, I don't have to buy that much because my pantry is full of all the spices and olive oils and, you know, soy sauce and Worcestershire sauce. I have all of those things because I cook so much. So really it's fresh produce, if I need meat, if I need chicken, if there's just something random we ran out of and somebody wrote it down. I get things from my daughter's lunchbox. She's almost 17. She has taken her lunch to school every single day of her life, and I've made her lunch. Still do it every morning, and we'll do it until she graduates. I did it for my oldest daughter too. So I plan out what's going to be in her lunchbox, and I get all those ingredients. So I get my list. I'm going to the grocery store. I do not waver. I go aisle by aisle, and I pick up exactly what I need. It is very, very rare if I ever grab something that's not on my list. I don't buy any meat at Walmart. We have a little local grocery store up the street. I whip in there on my way home from Walmart. If we need ground beef or pork chops or chicken, I always get it there. And if there was a produce that I needed that Walmart didn't have it or it didn't look good, I know that my local grocery store is going to have it also, so I'll pick it up there. So generally when I do my little shopping round, I am, from my front door, shopping and home in about an hour, sometimes an hour and 15 minutes if I get hung up or the grocery's busy, but that's not often because I like to go to the grocery kind of early in the morning before the crowd gets there, and I get it done. So let me show you around the kitchen super quick. This is how I check things to put on my list, and then we're gonna head out. I'm home from Walmart. I was gone right at 1 hour from the time I left here, did my grocery shopping. I actually had to stop at the bank on the way home, so I would have been here sooner, but it was just 1 hour. So I've got everything out. I thought I would show you what I got. For my pasta Dudley Style, we've got carrots and red onions, asparagus. I'm gonna put a little red pepper in it this time. It does require some fresh lemon, and it has like a wine sauce. So there's everything I need. And then for my chicken and lettuce that I'm doing, here are my hearts of romaine. It's just a lemon vinaigrette. I already had my chicken here. And then I've got potatoes and, again, more carrots. So I am a banana eater in the morning. I eat raspberries every single day. So I have to have a package of raspberries. Then we have bread. Randy and I like the 12 grain. Brecken likes the butter for her peanut butter and honey sandwiches and her lunch. And then she also gets sliced ham from the deli. So here's my unsalted butter. I don't ever cook with salted. I don't buy it for any reason. It's always unsalted. And then y'all, let me tell you about these fries. These are our favorite fries. We actually bake them. They're fantastic. They're crispy. You do not have to fry them. And for some reason, everybody has stopped carrying them. I don't know if they're being discontinued. I've checked all the grocery stores. Walmart had them today in this huge 4-pound value size bag, and I bought 3 bags. So I have 2 out in the freezer in the garage. So these are great fries. And then for our dinner tonight, these are the little, we call them football rolls. They look like footballs. They're wheat. And then here's my banana peppers that are going to go in my Italian beef. We love this broccoli cheddar rice. Brecken will make it, and we'll steam fresh broccoli and kind of mix it in. So I always just kind of have that on hand. Here's my angel hair pasta for my dinner. Here's in the pasta Dudley style, I use the fire roasted tomatoes. They make a really good sauce. I'll have 2 cans of that. Got some cookies. My husband likes Red Bull. And then this is the tea we drink. We either make it kind of fresh out of a bag or we use that. And then I had a couple toiletries. This is his shampoo, toothpaste. Randy and Brecken have allergies. Everything's blooming here. They're sneezing and coughing. And so we got Claritin. And then we were out of floss and needed some new lotion. Hey there, thanks for shopping with me yesterday. I actually sat down last night to put the video together to upload to YouTube this morning and realized that my original video plan, which was going to show you how I made my Italian beef sandwiches, which was our dinner last night, just made the video too long. So I had to cut it out. And that meant I had no ending for my video. So I'm actually recording this the following morning. I wanted to say thank you for joining me on my little shopping trip. And if you like what you see on the channel, please subscribe. If you have any comments or video suggestions, I would love to hear them from you. So until next week, talk to you later.